Nurse hears strange sound coming from dumpster. Heart drops when she looks inside. A nurse named Misty Combs was outside her workplace in Whitesburg, Kentucky, when she heard something strange. It was coming from the direction of the dumpster, and it didn't sound like anything she'd heard before. Curious, and a little uneasy, she walked over to investigate. Peering inside, her heart dropped. A mother raccoon was pacing around in a panic while two of her babies were trapped at the bottom of the dumpster. The smell of discarded alcohol-soaked peaches from a nearby distillery had lured them in, but now they couldn't get out. Misty's instincts took over. With a shovel, she scooped one of the babies to safety, watching as it scrambled straight back to its mother. But the second one was worse off. Face down in the soupy mix of water and fermented fruit, the tiny animal wasn't moving. Everyone nearby assumed it was too late. But Misty couldn't walk away. She reached in, pulled the raccoon out by the tail, and laid it on the ground. Then, drawing on her 21 years as a nurse, she began performing CPR, pressing gently on its chest and tapping its back. Moments later, the lifeless raccoon gasped and sputtered back to life. Relief swept over the group as the little one finally began to breathe on its own. Wildlife officials soon arrived, giving the raccoon fluids and care before releasing it back into the wild. The staff nicknamed the survivor Otis Campbell, after the lovable drunk from the Andy Griffith Show. For Misty, it was just another day of helping patients, though this time her patient happened to have fur and a tail.